The game over concert, we are happy, we are lucky. BUCKGODD, wonder like wonder fuck I was any wonder got to quite example. BUCKGODD, so happy to have you on our show. I'm part of the game over concert. How do you feel to be here?
Yeah, I've been playing for Maccasio since he started his concerts, and I really love it. I really love it. It's massive.
Okay.
Yeah, God bless him. I really appreciate him for giving us this stage. Whenever I do show, he try to put himself. I mean, we have one or two differences.
Yes.
We say if we do collabo and he switch and how much can be problem, but it's cool. I mean, I'm an artist. I'll play for him whenever.
So, BUCKGODD, can you promise us a show like an album?
Yeah, big.
Or anything?
Yeah, big. I promise you, something big is coming your way.
Okay.
I don't plan on recording with any Tamale artist because like I say, like they don't want help.
Yeah.
So I'm planning on big artists.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I plan on Kevin Boy. I plan on Medical.
Wow.
So I don't want to go with these people.
Okay.
Yeah, because they don't want to help.
They don't want to help.
I come like 6 years with this. Nobody manage me.
Yeah.
I'm driving a Range Rover. We be saying nobody manage me.
Yeah.
YouTube they pay me. You don't be say anybody.
Yeah.
I check my statistics. Even USA.
Wow.
USA they pay me. The last time be Russia.
Wow.
When I check Ghana, they back. Tamale they back.
Wow.
So I don't see my dream here.
Wow.
I'll be back. I don't see my dream here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you very much for.
I really appreciate this. Be my artist. It be me sign am.
Oh, wow.
So I see how the thing go.
What is his name?
But yeah.
His name.
I spend a lot of money. Help up. He's a dancer artist. It's bad.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm bringing something massive to the world where they never see it. And I promise I will do show. I will do 360 for a year.
Wow.
I promise you for a year.
Wow.
I really
Thank you very much. We appreciate your time. God bless you. God bless your talent.